Assalamualaikum. I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share a recipe of Borani. It's basically a vegan dish and served as main course. And Borani is basically a Peshawari dish. I know about this recipe because my mom belongs to Peshawar and she taught me this delicious recipe. Now begin. For this we have potatoes 1 kilogram, brinjal half kilogram, tomatoes give or take half kilogram, chili powder 2 tablespoons, salt as required. We have to use it several times, so watch carefully. Garlic paste 1 teaspoon and 25 green chilies, yogurt half kilogram, oil for deep frying. Now start processing. Firstly, we cut brinjal. Cut all the brinjals in this way. Width of every slice should not be so thick or thin, just average like this. After slicing, I am making cuts on each side and on both sides of each slice. Then put slices in bowl. Cut should not be so deep, and after making cuts, sprinkle some salt on it, and do this process with every slice of each brinjal. And mix it by shaking it and keep it aside. Now cut all the potatoes in same way, but potato slices don't need cuts on them. Just slice them, and their slices also be average. And after slicing, put all of them into big bowl and sprinkle almost 1 teaspoon salt on it and soak it in water. Here I am using water as I require. Now I am putting this pot on flame to deep fry potatoes and brinjal. Meanwhile, oil is getting hot. I am doing further work for this recipe. Borani is always served with yogurt, and for yogurt we will need yogurt half kilogram, salt half teaspoon, garlic paste 1 teaspoon, and now mix it well. Now it is done and absolutely ready to serve with Borani. Now here I am chopping all 6 tomatoes for gravy because Borani requires tomato based gravy. And remember, oil should not be too hot. Heat it on low medium flame. Now all 6 tomatoes are chopped. Oil is ready, so I am draining potatoes and gonna add all potatoes in oil for deep frying. Meanwhile it is cooking here, I am making gravy for biryani. For gravy here I have 3/4 cup oil, then heat it a bit, then add salt according to your taste. I am adding half teaspoon. Now here I have 25 green chilies and I am removing their top and bottoms. I have to cut them further into half, but oil is already warm, so I am adding all chopped tomatoes in it and mix it a bit and cover its lid and let all tomatoes tender. Now I am cutting green chilies into half. Those who already small in size, they don't need further cutting. Now I have cut all green chilies and putting them into a bowl. Tomatoes yet not fully tender, they need more time, but at this point I'm gonna add chili powder in it, and I have 2 tablespoons chili powder. Mix it. Meantime, potatoes are done. I am dishing them out in a serving dish. It is done. Now it's brinjal's turn. First we wash it to remove its excessive salt and then add all of them in oil for deep frying. Wash it with tap water. Now I am adding all the brinjals into already hot oil. Oil again should not be so hot, otherwise it will burn all the brinjals. Meantime, tomatoes are almost tenderized. In last, only its last ingredient is left, and in last add all the diced green chilies in it. Mix it and again cover it with lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, brinjals are also ready to dish out. Look, they are beautifully golden, and dish them out in same potatoes dish. Also here tomato gravy is also absolutely ready. Look, oil is separated from gravy and it is looking so good. Now remove it from flame and pour this gravy on all over potatoes and brinjal. Now it is absolutely ready to serve with yogurt. It is really very delicious dish. You must try. If you like this recipe, then click on like button, comment and let me know about your opinion, and if you have any question then ask me about it. Share it with your family, friends and people you care about, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for further delicious, quick and easy recipes. Thank you so much for watching.